So, starting our journey back from Prairie Du Chien back towards Eau Claire today. A couple 100-mile route laid out. Bust up Highway 27 for a little bit here, and then take 171 across from Mount Sterling over through Gaze Mills. Do we hit 131? Take that one north and get up towards Rockton, Ontario area. Do the run on 33 through Wildcat Mountain. And then work our way home on assorted county roads up north of 90. So looking forward to a good day. Just mention here that we stayed at the River District Hotel down by the waterfront. Great place to stay, very biker friendly, rags for wiping down your bikes if you need to. The breakfasts were phenomenal, including an omelet station, very, very nice. So we hung out down there each night, some good food options, so highly recommend that as a place to stay for your future motorcycle trips. Not a big fan of running highways, but for the views from up top here on 27 are pretty phenomenal, both to the east and the west. Just east of Mount Sterling now, heading over towards Gaze Mills on 171. We're going to finally get down into some valleys here and some twisties. Enjoy the ride. Neat little dam here in Gaze Mills. Not going to be our last look at the Kickapoo River today. As we head up 131, we'll cross that a bunch of times. Neat little switchback coming up out of Gaze Mills on 171, going east. That was fun. Still running 171 to the east, just east of Highway 61 now. It was a beautiful section from Mount Sterling over to there, but it was a little rough, but beautiful through the apple orchards, winding up through the top of the hills. Now we picked up a section of new pavement. Awesome. 171 needs to go on the list for next year's Hillsborough ride. Awesome road. Well, the road I had laid out took you to the north. I think eventually connected up with 131, but we went about a half mile up it, and it was rough. And we're like, let's go back and see where 131 or 171 goes here. This is beautiful and it's smooth, and we'll get home when we get home. You got to take these pieces of road as gifts when you get them. And the word roller coaster comes to mind. What a blast. to the mighty town of Boaz, population 129. So we took 171 all the way over to Boaz instead of taking U to the north, and that was a good decision because 171 was phenomenal, and there was like riding a roller coaster. Really good time. From Boaz, we're taking E to the north, kind of paralleling our original path on U, so we'll see, we'll intersect it to the north here at some point. Also a nice road up a valley. Not too twisty or technical, but another beautiful Wisconsin ride in the Driftless. Beautiful valley in here. Looking off to the left especially. These little knobs. County East turned pretty scenic back in here. Alright, we've gotten back and connected up to our original route here. We're on U going north after taking 171 to the east and then picking up E back to the north. That turned out to be a great little detour. We're working our way up 131, a few miles south of Lafarge. Work over towards Wildcat Mountain in a few minutes. We were going to bypass Rockton and the chicken, but then you come around the corner and you smell the chicken cooking. We didn't call in our reservation, but we're going to go check it out anyway, see if they'll feed us. Cooking the chicken here at Rockton. 543 half chickens today. Awesome stuff. There's a guy doing all the hard work. Alright, so the chicken was good as always. Taking County P over to 33 and run some of that new pavement from last year up over Wildcat Mountain. It's always a fun track through there. Just a few miles, but what a fun stretch of road. On the left on Scratch Road here. Alright, up the hill on Wildcat Mountain we go. Leaves in the road there. Idiot. And just like that, we're down to the town of Onharton, Ontario. Fun little stretch of road, just watch out for horse trailers. Back on a county road M, north of Wilton. And winding our way north. So we're cruising up County A here. And I'm looking ahead and I can see an oak branch hanging out over the road. And there's a really dark shadow under it, and it looks like an Amish buggy going up the road. And I had to go, I don't know, 200-300 yards, because as I went, it seemed like the Amish buggy was getting further up the road. And then I got close enough and I realized, no, it's just the oak limb. We go about another quarter mile and my wife goes, "Where did that buggy go?" Too funny. So it's not just me. It opens up to a beautiful view down the valley there. We're rolling in on Highway 71 just south of Melrose. Came across 90 at Sparta. Working our way north here. There we have it, the Black River. North of Melrose now. Took County D, kind of back to the northwest, west-northwest. Working our way back over to Ettrick. Well, it's been a great day of riding. Worked our way up for Prairie, just south of Eau Claire now, not far from home. County I. Just kind of enjoy a last few curves and wind up. It was a great weekend in the Southern Driftless. Finished up some of the last major overlooks of the Mississippi that we were looking to add to the channel. So the next ride we capture some video might be the Tomahawk Fall ride. We're going there with a pretty good sized group. We'll have more videos to come. Thanks for watching. Appreciate the like and subscribes.